Yo, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to start trading Ethereum Classic inside your Trust wallet. First of all, of course, you have to go ahead and buy some salt in your wallet by clicking here, choosing for example Ethereum, and type in the amount that you are willing to pay. And yeah, you choose here the method. They have two options, the Visa card or MasterCard, and the Apple Pay. So with that being said, let's go back. Click now we go to the some price tracking website. For me, I'm using the CoinMarketCap. Go ahead here and type the name of the token that you are willing to buy. And some people ask me why am I using CoinMarketCap, because it has a beautiful interface. It has a lot of coins and it is 100% safe. So we go here and write ETC or Ethereum Classic. We go here and we click on this icon right here, and now we copy the address. Of course, there is a bunch of other information, but we will not need it in this tutorial. We just need the contracts. So we click here again, and yeah, it is copied. Now we go back to your Trust wallet and you go to the apps. It is on Baby Smart Chain, so we are going to use the PancakeSwap. We choose the BNB here, and now click here and you can just pass the address that we copied before. So like this, you open the token, understand, check this box, and click import again. And as you can see, it is now possible for you to start swapping BNB to ETC or any other token. You can choose any other token that you are having in your wallet and swap it into ETC, or the reverse. By clicking on this arrow, you can now swap ETC into any other token. So guys, that was the tutorial for today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and comment and subscribe for more future tutorials. So yeah, have a great day and bye bye.